Hello everyone, this is MS Word tutorial. I have put down a question, the task 1. Make a list of computer lab rules in MS Word, give a suitable title and write the points in bullets or numbering format. The choice of font color should be readable and clear. Save your work in D drive of the computer with your name and class. For example, the name of the child, that is, say, for example, Aditi, and class 3 division B. So this tutorial will basically help you to achieve this task, and also the main objective of saving this tutorial is for giving the child a gist of how to save the file in the computer. Secondly, this video will also help you to use the font style, color, etc., and also the bullets or numbering format, how to put up things in the pointing form. Yeah, so this is how we go to Word. We just go to MS Word. Once the MS Word is on, here if you can see the icon, you'll take a blank document, you double click on that, a blank page will appear. Here if you see, this whole page is in vertical form. The percentage you can see here, now it is 100%. Make sure the percentage visibility is not less than 100 or more than 150, because if it goes too much in zoom, it is very difficult to work on a document. So make sure it is somewhere between 100 to 150, not more than that. If you can see here, the visibility is zoomed in. This is as good as zooming in. So what we do here is, you can also see that I have typed here hello world. This is just a simple simple thing that I have put up for you to understand the margins. If you can see, the upper space, that is horizontal space, is we are not able to do backspace or work anything in this area. So these are the margins. So if you want to reduce the margins, you want your text, your first line, to start from up or start from the left hand side. So this is the area where you will work with your text. So you can just wait for this two-sided arrow and pull it upward or left side or right side, so the margins would be reduced. So vertical margin as well as horizontal margin. So the workspace for you to work on this page would increase with the decrease in margins of the page. So the task was to put up some computer lab rules. So it could be anything. The child can come up with any lab rules. This is just for few examples that I've put up. So computer lab rules would be the title of my page. So I've put up in capital letters. Then some points like maintain discipline, respect the resources of the lab could be the second point. Then could also say do not make noise, etc. Many other points could be included. It could be anything. The rules would be open-ended and the child can put up anything. I've also put up follow the instructions. Now this is just data. Now we will work on this data. So we'll learn some font things here, options that the Word provides, and also how we are going to select the color scheme and what all functions we can understand that we are going to just see from here. So these are few points here. So we are going to use few font options. So I'm going to make a selection first. If I do not select, the option will not make any change. So I'm selecting computer lab rules. Since it is a title, so I am expecting it to be a little darker and it should stand out from the rest of the content of the text. So I'm making the entire selection of the text and I'm changing the font style. So if you can see this drop down, I have variety of options here. So as per my convenience, I can choose any of that. So I've chosen Agency FP. You can choose any other font if you want, but for that you have to make a selection. If you do not make a selection of the text, you do not select it, the changes will not appear. Yeah, now I have again selected and chosen agency FP. After selecting that, changing the font style, I want to make it bold since it is my title as said earlier. I'm making it bold, and I also want to change the color of my title. So this is the font color choice. I can choose any color. Make sure that choice of color is readable. So you have to choose dark colors as they should be readable. The content I'm choosing here is little, I'll show you. If I choose something a lighter shade, you can see it behind that box that it is not readable at all. So the objective will not be achieved. So we make a selection of a darker color text for visibility and for readability. So I make a selection here, this color. So computer lab rules, they're quite visible. Now I want to also see that what other colors could work. Yeah, so orange color. This was just to show you that you can go on changing colors as per your requirement. Unless and until it is not mentioned in the question, you can choose any color. Then I'll make a selection. I'll align the text. This is left alignment. Then if I want it in center, I'll click center. Then on right side, if I want the entire text, then I'll select right, and then this is justify. So I'm just making a selection to the left alignment because I want the entire text to be left aligned to the left. Okay. After that, I want to put I want these things to appear in sentence case. Maybe it was all in capital, so I make a selection and I can change it to sentence case, or I can change it to smaller case, anything, using that option there. I make a selection and I go to bullets. You can see here I have many options. What bullets? These bullets would be the figures. It will not be numbers. So numbers are known as numbering. So this is bullet. I can choose any shape I want, or else if I want numbers, I can numbers or any numbering style or list style I want. I'll click on this. So that is clicked here, but I prefer bullets, so I'll take a shape. Yeah, the square shape bullets, so it is visible like points, right? So I have title, then I have my points given in the form of bullets. So this is bullets and numbering option there. If I want to highlight something which is important, maybe, so I can click on italics, which will make my text slant. I can also use underline, but too much use of italics, underline and bold would confuse the reader as well. So not excessive use is recommended. You can use it, but then only should highlight the important points. This is also the shortcut that you can use for different underline, italics and all that. If you want to undo certain things, so this is one step behind it's going to take you once you click on that. Yeah, after that, once this is accomplished, so what we do is we are going to just view it and save it. So I'll go to file. I also have this option here of save button, which will directly allow me to save, but I'll go through the long way where I'll click the file, save. Then it will ask me where, so I'll just go to browse, or after that I'll scroll down from here and click on this PC. Yeah, this PC. In this, after I click on this PC, I get two options. I'll click on new volume D, that is my D drive. It could be data D also. I'll double click that. Once I am inside the D drive, I'll rename my file as given in the question, the name of the child, class and division. So I've just taken an example, Aditi 3A. It's a Word document. I click on save. So my file is saved to the D drive, and next time whenever I want to access it, I'll open the D drive and get the file. So keep practicing. The practice is going to make you more confident in the task of MS Word. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful for everyone. Thank you. Bye.